Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Steve Freeman coming at you live from Zombies Bar here in San Antonio, Texas. Tonight, we're gonna be making you a fun drink, one of the bar's signature drinks. You guys can make this at home, you can come into the bar and get it. We're gonna be making you the Zombies Bar Banana Bile drink. Okay, for the ingredients tonight, we're gonna be using an Irish honey liqueur called Celtic Honey. We're going to be using Dekyper Banana, Disaronno amaretto. We're going to be using orange juice. We're also going to be using pineapple juice and Sprite on the gun. I can't put those on the counter. And a banana. These are ingredients for tonight. Let's get to making that drink. All right, you guys, let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna be using our blender for this drink. So, we're gonna take a ½ ounce of our Celtic honey, put that in the blender. We're gonna be taking a ½ ounce of banana. We're gonna be taking a ½ ounce of amaretto. We're gonna be taking a ½ ounce of orange juice. We're also going to take a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. Okay, now we have all that liquid in there. Got our yummy banana right here. Love bananas. Don't like peeling bananas, but I love bananas. Okay, got our banana. We're gonna throw that in the blender, just like so. Now we're gonna take our lid. Now we're gonna put this on high. All right, there we go. Now we're gonna take our pint glass, fill that up with ice, just like so. Take our mixture, guys. Pour this in here. Oh yeah, now you know why we called it Banana Bile. Okay, put that on here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to splash some Sprite right on top. Put in our straw. See the texture? Yum, 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 yum. Guys, that right there is the Zombies Bar Banana Bile drink. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed making the Zombies Bar Banana Bile drink. You guys need to try this at home or come on into the bar. We'd love to make one for you. If you guys like what I'm doing, man, hit the like button down below. If you got some friends, hit the subscribe button down below. Till our next drink or video, I'll see you then.